Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and wishing you all a happy Diwali in advance. So, I have already done a lot of team light holders, and you can find a lot of designs in my tea light holder playlist library. But this one is a very special for me because I have used a very simple design only using the stylus tool and two colors. Even you can do it in white, only one colors. So I love this design. This is very like the designs are very small, like, and it takes a lot of time. For completing one tea light holder, it took me 5 days with base coating and everything, varnish completing and fixing the pearls. So just have your time, be sweat like the dot, be very like, go in a very calm zone and try to do this is a tea light holder where you need not hurry. So it, you have to go in that state, like you are not hurry to complete, just take all your time, give a proper shine to your tea light holder. So for the base, what the tea light holder, the yellow color, I have used Liquitex 3 base coat. So while you are doing the base coat, the main thing is you have to give proper amount of drying in between all your base coats. So this really helps to add the shine, and use gloss varnish to it so that you have that shine. And I went with the rings of dot, two rings of dot, using very small, like I have only used pink tools to do the design. Two dots with loading the amount of paint, varying the amount of paint, and going for walking of dot and the shoes using only the pink tool. So this is the magic of it. So here I am showing how I'm doing the working of the dot and the so this kind of technique. So here I have gone for a downward swoosh, and the next two design are very uh, like very curvy. So you wait. I have to wait for each and every dot to dry because I have to hold it and do the design. So it really took a lot of time, but the thing that takes time looks comes out, the beauty comes out really. You can see I'm not able to show this because it's very curvy. So while I did with the walking up dot, then three swoosh, and in the gap of that I'm going with my cone white pearl to give a textured dot. And similarly, I completed the last design where I went with two white walking up dot and three swoosh, and in the gap I gave a pearl and then walking up dot, and at the end I did the cone and the swoosh technique. So this is very simple small design, but completing this takes a lot of time because you have to be precise. As the surface are curvy, it takes a lot of time. So use this, like try to create this taking your time, and tag me if you recreate this design, and connect with me in my Instagram account, uh, that is Soothing Mandala. And also I have an email list where I uh, share uncut video reels or live sessions with my Soothing community members. If you want to be a part of it, you can join. It's already in my description. You can find the email list subscription description um, in my description. And also you can find how to create, there will be a list how to create the cone and the substitute in my previous video, which I will give you the link in my description. Also you can find my tea light holder playlist where I have more than 40 designs of tea light holder which I have created. You can find all in that, which will help you in creating uh, be creative in this Diwali. And here now I have already, like once the design is complete, I have did a varnish of two coat, and in between the varnish also you have to give drying time. And then I'm using B700 glue to fix my pearls. And yeah, I use only pearl. I skipped the rhinestone. I didn't like. I love the pearl. These are also available on Amazon. You can find the link in my description. If you recreate this, tag me, and love to know about your feedback in my comments, and share it with your friends who would love to create this design. Thank you. Bye.